Hi everybody, it's Christina and thank you for joining me. So I'm here with the Look at Layers collection, and these are the dies that are in the set. So you have circles, squares, rectangles, ovals, and then you have some Lazy Daisy and Pretty Sunflower, and they're all layering dies. So each of these die sets has 3 dies in it, and no matter which ones you choose, they will all work basically the same. So this one on its own will give you that pattern. Together with this one, it will give you that shape. Now with this shape, it will give you this. And then using these two together will give you that shape. And if you use this one on its own, you can have a mat of a different colour, and they can be layered up as you would like. So let's take a look at the others. That's the outer one. That will give you your frame. Using it with the pattern die will give you this shape. Using the 2 circular ones together will give you that shape. Using the plain one on its own will give you that. And the same with the squares. There's the solid one. There's the framed one. There's the patterned one with the detail in the panel itself. That's it cut out, and that's the backing. And the same with this, the panel on its own, the panel as a frame with the inlay detailed one, the plain one and the patterned one, which can be layered together. So there you've got a nice collection of die cuts that you can use on your cards. So this is the Look at Layers collection, and this is being released on the 20th of October 2023. You can also add flowers to your die cuts, and there is different dies with words in them that you can also use with this collection. So I hope you've enjoyed this short introduction, and thank you for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.